guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So are you suffering from loose skin and with wrinkles? I have this perfect hack for firming your skin and tightening your skin. So this is really easily available at your home, and first ingredient that you all need is some honey and lemon. So honey and lemon does wonders to your skin. It will tighten your skin, it will make your skin firm, and do this almost every day to avoid wrinkles. So I'm going to start now. I'm going to take about 1 tablespoon of honey. Just cut half a lemon and remove the seeds. So once you've removed the seed, just put it inside, dip it into the honey, and all you got to do is rub it all over your skin. Nicely, gently massage it. Go in like circular motion. Make sure that you take enough honey, because only lemon is acidic, it's citrus. It might, you might feel that tingly sensation. So put enough honey onto your face and you just massage it gently. So guys, I've applied this. Now I'm going to wait for about 5 to 6 minutes. So this is almost dry. It's been 5 to 6 minutes. I'm going to go and wash my face now. So guys, I've washed my face now. Once I've done that, I'm just going to take some ice. I'm going to rub it all over my face. And that's it. So just relax for at least 5 minutes. Your skin will feel really amazing. But make sure that you rub lemon and honey first and then you do this, or else ice is going to tighten your skin, and then there's no point applying honey and lemon after that. So follow this procedure, and that's it guys. Your skin will feel really good. Try this, and you can tell your mom, also your grandmom. They don't want wrinkles. They want their skin to be firm and tight. So do try this and let me know in the comment section below. And also I'm on Instagram, follow me there. It's called Leena Gowda Official. And if you have any other tips, let me know guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.